Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Plinko Space account is ready. Check email, two-factor authentication, and KYC status if prompted. Next, add the destination wallet or exchange address and choose the correct network to avoid lost funds. Once done, examine your available balance and the platform's minimum withdrawal and fee structure so you know the exact net amount you'll receive. Make sure the address format matches the token standard. This prevents cross-chain mistakes that are hard to reverse. You now initiate the withdrawal on Plinko Space. Pick the token and the precise network, because choosing the wrong chain often causes permanent loss. After entering the destination address and amount, use the preview to review fees and estimated arrival time so you avoid surprises. Then confirm via the platform's security step, whether that's 2FA, an email confirmation link, or signing a transaction in your wallet. Once confirmed, the platform will broadcast the transfer to the blockchain or custodial rails. You finish by monitoring the transaction ID and the number of confirmations required. This tells you when funds become spendable. If the transfer is delayed, check the Blockchain Explorer for pending or failed status and review Plinko Space's status page for platform-wide issues. If problems persist, contact support immediately with the TZID, screenshots, and timestamps so they can investigate. Keep records of all messages and confirmations. That evidence speeds resolution and protects you if an appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.